What's up everyone, so I recently bought the Oculus Quest, and here's 3 of the reasons why I got my hands on this awesome device. Let's get into it. So the first reason is to use it on my main PC, and at time hook it up to my guest PC when friends and family comes by for some VR fun and all that kind of stuff. And since I already got the Oculus Rift CV1 with the Pro 2 VR and 4 sensors, I'm still gonna be using that for now until whenever I decide to buy one more of those. Who knows, right? The second reason is to bring it with me when I'm traveling, and third and final reason is to hopefully get into making some VR content like gaming and such, and perhaps some gear for it and see how well that goes, like making a gun stock or a Pro 2 VR alike for it. If any of you guys are interested in seeing me and some of my friends playing some VR content like the Forest Co-op or War Dust or regular Pancake flat screen gaming, I do have a Twitch channel called Furious PC Gaming. I will link that in below in the description if some of you are interested in seeing that. I do not have a schedule when I go live and whatnot, but when I do go live I will post it on my Facebook page, Furious PC Gaming, and also on my Twitter feed as well. So anyhow guys, this is what I have for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hit that like, subscribe and comment below. See you guys in the next one.